Creak open slow. Kitty whispers, "Is someone there?" Wind drip dress run everywhere. She steps inside, lights go blink. Chalk writes words before she thinks. Books start flying in the air. No teacher here, just empty chair. Suddenly, boom! Desk moves on its own. Kitty jumps, I'm not alone. From cupboard a skeleton pops. Bones go clack, that never stops. He sits down with a spooky grin. Let's start class. Let's begin. Kitty laughs, okay, this is new. Bones go dancing, clap, clap too. Cafeteria starts to shake. Zombie comes with hungry face. He looks at food, one big bite. Everything disappears in sight. Kitty shouts, "Hey, slow down!" But zombie spins all around. In science lab, lights turn green. Witch appears like movie scene. She stirs a potion, pop goes smoke. Even chairs start to float. Kitty says, "That's kinda cool." Gulch just laughs, "Welcome to school." Empty hallway, cold and wide. Ghost is floating side to side. Boo, he says very slow. Kitty runs, then stops like no. Ghost just laughs, "I'm your friend." Spooky school, no real end. Morning light starts breaking in. Everything feels safe again. Skeleton waves, zombie smiles. Cue it, witch says bye for many miles. Ghost disappears in air so thin. Kitty laughs, "What a school I've been." Spooky school, but fun all day. Even monsters wanna play. Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, laughing and dancing, making lots of fuss. Kitty is driving through the town today, but silly skeletons won't behave. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Five cute skeletons riding on the bus, wiggling bones and making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, "No more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat." Four cute skeletons riding on the bus, singing loud and causing fuss. One slipped down and broke the horn. Kitty called the ghost and the ghost then warned, "Stop the jumping on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat." Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, shaking bones and making fuss. One fell down and broke the seat. Kitty called the mommy down the street. No more dancing on the bus. Ride it in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. Two cute skeletons riding on the bus, dancing fast and making fuss. One spun round and broke the wheel. Kitty laughed, "Let's fix it tonight." Slow down, spooky bus today. Funny skeletons jump to the beat. One cute skeleton's riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. Ride in the bus, beep, beep, beep. Funny skeletons, talk, come back. All cute skeletons riding on the bus. Now they're careful, no more fuss. Kitty drives and sings all night. Spooky bus ride feels alright. ticky-tacky night, so bright, lovely. Farm is sleeping soft, the moonlight mulokay. But wait, what's that in the sky? Something glowing falling by. Oh no, 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 look up high. The moon is falling from the sky. Wobble, wobble, moon goes lower step. Shaking, shaking, slow, slow, slow. Next star shout, hey, come back! But moon is slipping off its track. Each boom light hits the farm below. Animals wake like, oh no, no. Wobble, wobble, falling down. Moon is landing on the ground. Cow runs, moo, what is this light? Pig says, oik, it's too bright. Rooster screams, cock-a-doo, like duck goes quack. Is it true? Sheep faints bay. Woo, see the sky. Goat eats rope. Munch, don't ask why. Farm goes crazy left and right. Moon is shining super bright. Moon is sad. I'm on it now. I will fix this, just show how. She grabs a net, she grabs a rope. This is not the end of hope. Wind whispers, hurry fast. Moon is falling very fast. City kitty on the road. Rescue mission has begun. Moon is sad, I slipped away. I lost my place in sky today. Kitty says, don't cry, don't fear. I will take you back up here. She swings the rope. Up, up, high. Stars start cheering in the sky. Swing, swing, swing. Up you go. Slow, 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 nice and slow. Moon is back in sky so high. Stars are smiling. Bye, bye, bye. Farm is calm, soft and sweet. Hood animals sleeping in their seat. Kitty yawns. What a night. Everything is back alright. Moon is back where it should stay. Skidgy saved the Y2K. Owl bubbles crack cash plash. Bubble bubble pop pop pop. Kitty says don't let it stop. Baby shark goes splash splash splash. The bubbles just crash crash. Stop up pop up up so high. Catch the bubbles in the sky. Ricky blows a bubble small, then a giant bubble ball. Baby shark comes in with cheer. Oh no! Bubble party starting here. Bubble bubble pop pop pop. Funny bubbles never stop. Big blue bubbles fill the room. Floating high, zoom zoom zoom. Kitty tries to catch them fast. Up up bubbles fly right past. Pop pop pop, jump and play. Catch the bubbles every way. Baby shark goes splash splash splash. Bubble tower starts to crash. Cup goes one right on Kitty's nose. Then another on her toes. Oh no no, bubbles pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Pop pop pop, jump and play. Bubbles bouncing off the wall. Tiny bubbles, giant called. Kitty spins and flips around. Hey, pop 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 goes every sound. Hey, bubble bubble in the air. Popping bubbles everywhere. Last big bubble floats so slow. Kitty whispers, there it goes. Baby shark jumps super high. Pop it burst up in the sky. Yay, yay, yay! What a day! Bubble fun and splashy play. Pop, 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 jump and play.
It's so much fun.
Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus, go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. No! 5 funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, sit down please. No more jumping on the seats. Four funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, what was that? Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, drive slow today. Three funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, cleat everywhere. Two funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, quiet again. One funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, hold on tight. Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, fix the door. All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, now let's go, Coco. Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Yum, 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 candy rains. Baby shark eats once again. Pop, pop, pop goes jelly booms. Candy flying round the room. Oops, oops, tummy shake. Too much candy, tummy ache. Baby shark finds candy store. Chocolate falling on the floor. Lollipops and gummy bears. Candy flying everywhere. Baby shark says, more, more, more. Needs a giant candy where as yum 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 chew chew chew. Too much candy, what to do? Baby shark jumps super high. Candy shooting to the sky. Spin 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 around the chair. Sticky jelly in his hair. He slips and slides across the floor. Then wants candy even more. Kitty hears a boom boom boom. Candy bouncing round the room. Baby shark goes, oh no me. My tummy feels all wiggly. Kitty says, now listen here. Too much candy's not good, dear. No, 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 candy stop. Time for healthy munch, munch, chop. Kitty brings banana shake. One apple slices on a plate. One crunch, crunch, crunch goes carrot bite. Baby shark feels all right. Water splash and soup so warm. Healthy food becomes the charm. Crunch, 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 healthy fun. Strong and happy everyone. Baby shark now dances slow. Healthy power starts to grow. Candy sometimes is okay, but not all night and all day. Kitty laughs and claps with glee. Healthy habits lead me. Yum, 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 candy treat. But healthy food is good to eat. Kitty helps and saves the day. Happy shark can laugh and play. Five spooky riders were riding on a bus. Skeleton mummy making lots of fuss. One stood up and bumped his head. Say, Kitty called the owl and the owl then said, Bent, no more spooky riding on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Four spooky riders were riding on a bus. Zombie skeleton causing crazy fuss. One slipped out and broke the wheel. The Kitty called the Dino and Dino then said, Hint, stop the spooky ride on the bus.
Riding on a 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 bus.
Three spooky riders Tornado flew off and didn't last. Kitty called the ghost and ghost then said, "No more magic on the bus!"
Riding on a bus.
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 Two spooky riders were riding on a bus. Dracula, zombie, scary little fuss. Dracula laughed and scared the lights out. Kitty called the bear and bear then said they'd stop this spooky ride tonight.
Riding on a bus.
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 One spooky rider was riding on a bus. Skeleton crying, feeling big fuss. He jumped too hard and broke the seat. Kitty called the witch and witch then said, "Fix the bus, fix it fast!"
Riding on a bus.
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 They fixed the bus. Riding on a bus. All spooky riders back again. Kitty smiles and says today, let's all ride in a happy way. Lee, ha!
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
Riding on a bus.
I'll add some magic. Oh,
Splash, splash in the bubble bath. Kitty laughs in foamy path. Baby shark is coming too. Bubble fun for me and you. Dip, pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Let's wash Kitty every day. Kitty jumped into a bath so bright. Bubbles glowing soft and light. Splash goes water, fun begins. Kitty spins and grins and spins. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Baby shark swims in fast. Big foam bubbles flying past. Kitty laughs. Slow down, please. I can't see through all of these. Pop, pop, pop. Splash, splash, splash. Bubble bath fun. Go, go, splash. Rub-a-dub soap all around. Bubbles bouncing on the ground. Baby shark goes splash, splash, splash. Kitty says, what